Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today is our 13th lecture of Pre-3 Phonics. Let's start our work from page number 32. Open page number 32. Okay, this is our page number 32. Firstly, we mention the date on this page. June 30, 2020 and the day Tuesday. Okay, firstly we read the icons. The first icon is make and the second is write. Make means we make the sentences in our own words. Okay, let's start our work. Make and write sentences. The first word is bed. Bed. This is also our practice and review page. Okay, we will write the sentence of bed. She is sleeping in bed. At the end of the sentence we put a full stop. Okay, the next sentence is leg. Egg, leg. He hurt his leg. Gem. She wore a gem. The next sentence is 10. 10. I like number 10. I like number 10. In at net. He lost his net. And the last sentence is wet. Wet. His clothes got all wet. Okay students, before starting this page you will draw margin lines under the words. Okay, so the writing should be neat and clean. Okay, now come on the next page, page number 33. On this page we read the rhyming words. On this page mention the date July 1, 2020 and the day Wednesday. On this page the icons are read and write. The topic is read and write ib words. Ib. Okay, now let's start the reading of ib rhyming word. The first word is bib. In ib nib. Uf ib fib. Ib rib. Okay student, these are our ib rhyming words. Now on this page the second question is write the beginning sounds. There are some objects, we write the beginning sounds of these objects. Okay, look at the first picture. What is this? Gird. Bib. The beginning sound is b. We write the beginning sounds with rhyme. Look at bird, down and down, go up, turn around. Bib. Okay, the next word is fib. Uf ib fib. Uf is like walking stick with a line across. Uf ib fib. Okay, look at the next object. This is nib. and the beginning sound is n. N down, go up, bumpty. N ib, nib. In ib, nib. N ib, nib. And the last object is rib. 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 Beginning sound, good, well done. Ir down, go up, turn a little. Ib, rib. Ib, rib. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, जब कुछ स्टूडेंट्स जब वर्क चेक करवाते हैं तो उनमें उनके वर्क में जो सबसे ज़्यादा मिस्टेक होती है वो यही होती है कि जब वो बिगनिंग साउंड राइट कर रहे होते हैं तो वो राइम्स को फॉलो नहीं करते, और जिस पैटर्न से लेक्चर में बताया जाता है उस पैटर्न से राइट नहीं करते. काइंडली स्टूडेंट्स राइम्स को और राइटिंग को ज़रूर फॉलो किया करें. ओके, नाउ कम ऑन द नेक्स्ट पेज, पेज नंबर 34. On this page we mention the date July 3, 2020 and the day is Friday. On this page the topic is read and write the rhyming words. Okay, this question is very easy. In this question there are 3 rhyming words. We choose the 2 same rhyming words and write on these 2 lines. Okay, for example, the first word is ib, rib. Second, il, og, log. And the third is uf, ib, fib. Okay, now tell me which are the same rhyming words. Good. Ib, rib and uf, ib, fib. So we write these 2 words on the lines according to the rhyme. Ib, rib. And the second word we write on the second line, ib, fib. Ib, rib, uf, ib, fib. Okay, now let's start the reading of the sentences. The first sentence, Abdullah had a pain. Abdullah had a pain in his rib. Abdullah had a pain in his rib. Now we write the name of this object. Ib, rib. Good. He was hit with a nib. He was hit with a nib. Down, go up, bumpty. In, ib, nib. He did not wear a. He did not wear a bib. He did not wear a bib. B down, go up, turn around. B, ib, bib. Okay, the last sentence on this page, his brother said all was a fib. His brother said all was a fib. Now write the word fib. Uf, ib, fib. Okay students, we complete the page number 32 and 33, 34. Okay, we done a set of 1 rhyming words which is ib rhyming words. Okay, we read the ib rhyming words. Okay, now come on the diary. Okay students, this is your phonics diary. The first diary, June 30, Tuesday, page 32 on book. You write the sentences on the page 32. Okay, now the next day, July 1, Wednesday, page 33 on book. You write the beginning sounds of ib words on book. Next, July 2, Thursday, page 33 on notebook. You write the ib rhyming words on notebook. And the Friday, page 34 on book. Page 34, the rhyming words and the missing words. Date 4, Saturday, page 34 on notebook plus reading. आप पेज 34 यानी सेंटेंसेस को नोटबुक पे भी राइट करेंगे और उनकी रीडिंग भी करेंगे. एंड मंडे रिवीजन पेज 32 टू 34. 32 से 34 आपकी रिवीजन होगी मंडे की. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, स्टे ब्लेस्ड. अल्लाह.